what's going on? It's Jessie Lee, and today I'm going to tell you about the color personality yellow. So overall basic disposition, these are some of the slower paced, more people-oriented, really loving and compassionate people around the world, and I love these people so much. They're very motivated by desires to have good relationships with people and making other people feel appreciated. Time management, they are just all about devoting and building relationships no matter what that amount of time is. They just want to be very present with people, very nurturing with people. They're very great listeners. They are two-way communicators. They hear you. They're not listening to respond. They very often are pushovers though. So your yellow color personality is going to be somebody who tends to get kind of run over by others. They're quieter, they're more soft-spoken, they're definitely more emotional. They're looking for more security in their life, those quality relations, those lifetime relationships that just secure blanket. And they want a relaxed and friendly environment. So especially if you're building some kind of culture or organization, keep that in mind for your yellow color personalities. All right, yellers, y'all listening? All right. Okay, so with yellows, they do have a lot of strengths, and of course they have weaknesses just like any other color personality out there. So they are very patient. They are very easygoing. They are team players through and through. They are stable. They're your steady eddies, even though they are the more emotional type. They're still very steady in where they are. They don't make high-risk decisions. They're very constant. They are very empathetic. They're extremely compassionate. So they're people who really want people to win. A lot of nurses, a lot of moms, things of this nature. They're tremendously loyal. I really can't stress that enough. They're dependable. They're reliable. They're supportive. They'll come to any meeting, and they're really agreeable. They put people above projects. Again, people above projects. It really matters to that bottom line that everybody feels loved them. On the other side, the natural weaknesses of a yellow is that they're going to be very indecisive people because they are people pleasers by nature. They are overly accommodating. So they will always inconvenience themselves instead of others because they want everybody to like them, everybody to get along, everybody to be happy. They will sacrifice the results for the sake of harmony. So they're not your natural competitors. They're not going to go out and aggressively pursue a customer. They're not going to go out and really hard hit, try to recruit. They really just want harmony. They're very slow initiators. They will take until they totally understand it and can get their compassion around it. They're not going to do what they say they're going to do, so they're slow to initiate. And they also are very confrontation avoiders, okay? So they're not people who will have those hard conversations. I like to call them courageous conversations. They won't do that. They do tend to hold grudges, again, because when somebody is hurt by others, or if you hurt a friend of theirs, they're not going to like you. They're going to hold that grudge for a long, long time because they just don't forget. They do fear change, which is definitely a negative, especially if you want to be in a growing environment. And the biggest natural weakness, if you ask me, of a yellow is that they just ignore or sacrifice their own needs. So I want you to kind of think of maybe a mom or something like that who they will not put themselves first at all, ever, or maybe a friend of yours who that's what they're like. But a yellow, you can probably spot that you've usually got a big old bag full of everything, so everybody can have anything they need out of their Mary Poppins bag. They're usually the first to get there, last to leave, and just loving and hugging on everyone all the time. So that's the yellow color personality, a little slower, a little more loving, a little more cuddly, a little more warm and nurturing. And if you are yellow, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe, and if you're looking for other color personality information like blue, green, or red, go ahead and check them out right over here on my channel.